Welcome back to our channel, beautiful people. Today, I'm going to share with you one incredible Korean beauty trick that will make you look 10 years younger. Intrigued? Well, you should be. This ancient secret has been used by Korean women for centuries, and the results are nothing short of amazing. Korean beauty, or K-beauty, has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. Their skincare routines are renowned for their effectiveness and innovative approach. But today, we're going to focus on one specific trick that stands out from the rest. It's simple, yet incredibly powerful, and it can transform your skin in no time. So, what is this magical trick? Drumroll, please. It's called Chok Chok. In Korean, Chok Chok means moist and dewy. This technique emphasizes achieving that plump, hydrated, and radiant skin that looks like it's glowing from within. Here are the steps to achieve Chok Chok skin. Number 1. Double cleansing. First, start with double cleansing. Use an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup and impurities, followed by a water-based cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores. Number 2. Exfoliation. Next, exfoliate gently to remove dead skin cells. This step is crucial for a smooth and radiant complexion. Number 3. Toner. Apply a hydrating toner to prep your skin and restore its pH balance. This will enhance the absorption of the following products. Number 4. Essence. Use an essence, which is a lightweight, hydrating product that penetrates deeply into your skin. Pat it gently into your skin for better absorption. Number 5. Serum. Apply a serum that targets your specific skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, or dark spots. This step is all about personalization. Number 6. Moisturizer. Seal in all the goodness with a nourishing moisturizer. Look for one that's lightweight but deeply hydrating. Number 7. Sheet mask. Once or twice a week, treat yourself to a sheet mask. This will give your skin an extra boost of hydration and nutrients. And last but not least, never skip sunscreen. It's your best defense against premature aging and skin damage. By following these steps and embracing the Chok Chok method, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your skin's texture, tone, and overall appearance. Say goodbye to dull, tired skin and hello to a youthful, glowing complexion. There you have it, folks, the one Korean beauty trick that can make you look 10 years younger. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful.